For thousands of years, bamboo flutes have carried the melodies of history, spirituality, and culture across civilizations. From the Chinese dizi, with its bright and expressive tones, to the Indian bansuri, known for its deep, meditative sound, these handcrafted instruments have been more than just musical tools. They are storytellers of the past. Artisans carefully select and shape bamboo, carving precise holes and adding delicate embellishments to create instruments that produce warm, organic tones. In ancient China, emperors and scholars believed the dizi could harmonize the soul, while in India, the bansuri was linked to divine music, played by Lord Krishna himself. These flutes have been used in rituals, meditative practices, and traditional folk music. They're soft, flowing notes carrying messages of love, nature, and the divine. Today, musicians continue this ancient craft, preserving the soothing and timeless sound of bamboo flutes for generations to come.